This isn't a scary story. The government confirmed this happened. In 1959, 9 experienced hikers disappeared in the Russian mountains. When rescuers found their camp, their tent was cut open from the inside. Their shoes were still inside. So were their coats. In freezing temperatures, they ran barefoot into the snow. Their bodies were discovered miles apart. Some showed massive injuries, broken ribs, crushed skulls. But here's what made investigators panic. There were no signs of a fight, no tracks from another person. The official report listed the cause as an unknown compelling force. The case was closed immediately. To this day, no one agrees on what happened at Dyatlov Pass. So tell me, what would make you tear open your tent and run into the darkness without shoes?